how long does it take to sell on Amazon? How long does it take each day, each week, each month, etc., etc.? That's what I'm going to dive into in this video. So without further ado, it is very, very dependent on what business model you do, the resources that you have, how outsourced your business is, the investment that you've put into outsourcing the business, and multiple factors that go around this. What's your own time management like? This is not an easy question to answer, and that's probably why there's not many videos about it on Amazon, on YouTube. So look, let's dive into this. So honestly, I think, look, if you're doing arbitrage, right, and you're doing 20, 30 grand a month and you haven't outsourced it at all, you're probably going to be working quite a lot. I would say you're probably going to be working quite a lot, a fair few hours a day, just to keep everything going. There's a lot of back end stuff, like the orders not arriving on time. There's admin behind this. You'll be VAT registered at that stage. You've got to chase the invoices. You've got to chase VAT returns and stuff like that. There's going to be returns that you've got to take back that you've got to send back. It's a bit of a minefield if it's not outsourced. Honestly, it's a bit of a minefield. But most people, once they get to that stage, try to outsource it with virtual assistants. And I remember not long ago when I was doing online arbitrage, around about, 10 months ago now, a year ago, I had that outsourced to a certain extent with a prep center. I had virtual assistants, stuff like that. I used to have sourcing assistants and admin managers and stuff like that. And then obviously I reduced my team down when I switched my business model to PL sort of stuff. So, but I wasn't, I was probably doing about 2 to 3 hours a day, and I was probably doing, 20,000 a month turnover, something like that. So that's me trying to be as transparent as possible. But then again, my time management might be different to yours. Yours might be better or worse than mine. Your team might be outsourced in a better or worse way than mine was. But some people outsource it even more, so they're doing like an hour a week. Obviously a friend of mine, Thomas Parkinson, does millions, and I think he said that he does an hour a week on his UK arbitrage business. So anyway, we're not just talking about arbitrage, but that just gives you an example of that. Moving on to the sort of PL type stuff. If I wanted to just maintain what I've already got, like once I launch my products and stuff like that, because I've outsourced it to a business manager and I'm just about to expand the team. But let's look at what we've got current, which is my business manager. I could get away with doing an hour a day, if that. Honestly, just to make sure the admin's done. We're all in control of that. He's following up with all our deliveries and things like that, and our receipts and stuff like that. But this is what I mean. It depends on your goals. It depends on your mindset. Do you want to keep growing the business, keep launching new products? Do you want to, or if you're doing OA, do you want to keep sourcing? Do you want to keep building the business? If you want to keep building the business, and whatever a business is in Amazon, you're going to be working a fair bit. But I do believe you can do it when you're working full time. I do believe that. I haven't done it, but I do believe I could. It just means you're going to have to sacrifice some sort of evenings or weekends and stuff like that, or maybe a couple of hours of an evening. But honestly, I spend, me personally, I'd say between 6 to 10 hours a day working Monday to Friday, and sometimes I work at weekends as well. Quite frequently I'm doing the odd bits on Saturdays and stuff, and Sundays. But look, that's because I'm trying to get significant growth. I've got goals for 1 million next year. Like if I wanted to stay reasonably where I was and just maintain what I've got, as I say, probably a couple of hours a day. It depends what stage you're at. It really depends what stage you're at. And then you've got other factors to take into account, or if you're an Amazon seller that's got your own warehouse and you've got loads of staff, that's different. That's a whole different ballgame. That's probably going to be a full-time operation. But you should be at a different level at that stage, So to summarise, in general, you're looking at where you want to take the business. What's your time management like? If you've outsourced it, if you haven't outsourced it, right, you've got to take all these variables into account. Obviously, you're going to be working more in the early days and less in the later days and the latter days if you outsource it, if you get the right operations, if you sort your time management out. By the way, I'm not saying I've mastered time management at all. I still find myself doing stuff that I shouldn't really be doing. I'm currently just taking on another staff member to sort of extract me a little bit further, but I could have done it a lot further. I could be much more extracted out of the business right now, but I've done it my way. I did it my way. That's quite cool, wasn't it? So that's it. That's what I want to talk about. it depends how hard you're hitting it. It depends how hard you want to go, how big you want to get, and how much you are happy to work, how much you're happy to pay someone else to get your time back. That's the best I can describe it. There's so many variables, but all you've got to know is that it can be super part-time. It can be middling, part-time, or it can be full-time, depending on the variables, your mindset, your skills, your outsource, how many years you've been doing it, your experience, the contacts that you have. Are you good at creating systems to outsource it? Would you rather keep all the money to yourself and work 10 hours a day? Whatever. It depends what you want. That's the best way I can answer this question on how long it takes to run an Amazon business. So I hope that video's helped. Please like and subscribe, and I will see you soon.